Happy birthday, Ma'am Miriam.
Pebreyana, mag-greet ko ni Ma'am Arian o kuan. Happy birthday. God bless.
Hi, Ma'am.
Hi, Ma'am. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ma'am Arian. God bless.
Ano yan?
Ayan.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Miriam. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. I hope you have good health, Ma'am. Then, we love you so much, Ma'am. Thank you for teaching us katong pag-grade 5 pa na mo, Ma'am. You're the best English teachers I ever known. Again, Ma'am, happy birthday and we love you so much. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ma'am Nirian. Happy birthday, Ma'am Nirian. Kung wala ka kailala ko, ako din si Janelle C. Abalie from Corelia, Bohol, classmates ni Brianna since grade 3 to grade 4. So, mora din akong ka-message ni mo, Ma'am. Ayaw kung daw pagka maestra, Ma'am. O unta sad, Ma'am, nga nakay matungnan nga mga estudyante na mga butan nga para sila Rihanna, nga ma'am. Ug mao ra jud ako ma-message para mo ma'am kung wala ma'am no, pero si Brianna jud nakatugod ma'am nga nganong nag-message ko para ka nimo ma'am nga bisag dili ta kaila ma'am pero nag-message jud kapan ko nimo ma'am kay si Brianna gaingon sa ako. Then mao to ma'am, then happy birthday ma'am. I love you so much ma'am. Bye.
Oh my God! Wow!
Hi, Ma'am Nerian. Happy birthday po. Thank you so much for being such a great teacher and for being so kind to us back then. I wish you all the best in life and more blessings to come.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Nirian. Enjoy your day. Hi, Ma'am Nirian. Happy birthday. God bless you.
Hi, we're Music and Me. And us. We would like to greet a happy birthday to Ma'am Nerian Banol. We wish you more birthdays to come and more blessings from our Lord above.
Happy birthday to you. Oh my God! Wow!
Hi ma'am, happy birthday and God bless you always. Wishing you all the best and thank you for everything you've done to us. Happy birthday and God bless you always. We love you so much.
Uy, day. May nag-birthday ron. Atong i-greet. Happy birthday, Ma'am Nerian.
God bless.
Wish you enjoy your day.